Welcome to Automating HR Payroll Reports with Power Query, where you will learn how to automate the repetitive work in HR payroll reporting. The preparation of payroll reporting can be a daunting task, as every month you have to prepare similar reports repeatedly. It gets even more stressful during budget and forecast cycles, where you have to conduct various what-if analyses with changes in assumptions in a timely manner for key decision makers. You try to automate the process so that you can spend less time on repetitive tasks. But every month, you ended up doing the same thing as you have either no time to make it happen or not knowing the most efficient way to automate the payroll process. So you attended various courses on Microsoft Excel, but none of it will tell you exactly how and what to automate the payroll reporting process. For this reason, we have developed the Automating HR Payroll Reports to address the issue. The course has a custom-made case study to address the practical problems faced in a real-world situation. At the end of the course, you will be able to confidently know what and how to automate your payroll process and handle budget and forecast exercises. Remember, it is not how many formulas you know that matters. It is about knowing how to apply these formulas that truly make a difference. The course has 5 modules, comprising of 19 lectures with 4.5-hour video time. Each module is designed for you to learn in a step-by-step approach, starting from managing raw data, manipulating mapping tables, automating the payroll process using Power Query, generating payroll reports with pivot tables, and be in control of the personnel cost budget and forecast exercises. The ideal student for this course is HR professionals who want to make a drastic change to automate the way they do payroll reporting and forecasts. There is no minimum requirement to enroll. We only ask you to come open-minded and ready to learn. Feel free to look at the course description, and we look forward to seeing you soon.